Before starting a food garden, there are several key factors to consider. Here are some things you need to know. 1. Location. Determine the best location for your food garden. Ensure that it receives adequate sunlight, at least 6-8 hours per day, good drainage, and is easily accessible for regular maintenance. 2. Soil health. Understand the quality of your soil. Conduct a soil test to determine its pH level and nutrient content. Make necessary amendments like adding compost, organic matter, or fertilizers to improve its fertility. 3. Space availability. Consider the amount of space you have and choose plants accordingly. Some crops, like tomatoes or peppers, require more space, while others, like salad greens or herbs, can be grown in smaller areas. 4. Season and climate. Familiarize yourself with the planting seasons and climate in your region. Certain crops thrive in specific weather conditions, so plan your garden accordingly. You can research plant hardiness zones to determine what varieties grow. Are you looking to improve your garden? Here are some tips to make it better. 5. Plan ahead. Before starting any garden project, it's important to have a clear plan in mind. Consider the layout, the types of plants you want to grow, and any specific features you want to include. 6. Prepare the soil. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Make sure to remove any weeds, rocks, or debris from the area. Add organic matter, such as compost or manure, to enrich the soil and improve its fertility. 7. Choose the right plants. Select plants that are suitable for your climate, soil type, and sunlight conditions. Consider factors like the plant's growth habit, water requirements, and maintenance needs. This will ensure that your